Yeah, on today's videos, we'll be talking about TradingView, how to make use of TradingView, the necessary tools to use on TradingView. Well, I will start from telling you guys, start from talking about the site. We want to insert it, start TradingView. You see, Google search TradingView. When you search it, something like this will pop up, right? So after this, you now go on what? You go on what? Chart. Remember, TradingView is a website where traders use to do what? To analyze the market. So when I'm talking about analysis, just way to analyze the market, to know if market is going up or to go down. You understand? If you're going for a bullish or you're going for a bearish. So that's what we do on TradingView. So that's what traders use to analyze the market. Looking at this, looking at what you have on the screen right now, they have numerous tools. So right today, I will teach you guys how to make use of all these tools. Then goes with what I use. Do you understand? So first thing is this. Looking at what we have here, we have Wall Street, like this W here seems like a logo by your mail, because you have to log in on your TradingView for you to get access to the page or what you are seeing right now. So here you can see when you tap here, you have a lot of tools like home, help center, notification, and all that. Under here, you see a dark mode here. You can still switch your chart to white or bring it to down, depending on what you prefer. Do you understand? So apart from that, next thing I want you guys to know here is this. I think we start from this part. At this part, when we have symbol search, clicking on this simple search, where you can select any pair you feel like you choose to trade. Do you understand? You can let's check on GBPJPY. You see, we have a lot of them here. Then at this point, this is where we have brokers. So you depend on, you choose the one you feel like. Do you understand? They're all same. So you choose one you feel like. Let's just do check again. And see, let's use USD card. Right, so you can see we have, and you have to select any of the pair you feel like to. So let's just check. Okay, let's select on USD card. Okay, you see how it is. So that's how to do all that. Just come here, select the one you feel like. Do you understand? So that's just it. Now the second one is what? Compare or add symbol. This compare, I don't usually use this, but some person used to use it too. If you have any pair you want to compare, that means you want to bring up another pair, another chart on the screen, even when you still have this. Let's say like you want to add this USD card, you want to add JPY still on this chart, you'll be seeing it. So if you want to compare the pairs, so that's where you add, but don't usually use this. Now what we see there is that's time frames, right? When you tap on it, you will select any time frame. But how I always use this 5 minutes time frame. When you click on this star, that means you want to put it or add it on your favorite, right? 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, right? So when adding this like this, it always pop up here, like for quick access, right? So that's how it is. You can still add any of the one you feel like. Do you understand? So that's just it. Now after that, next one is this candles, where you can select any of the candles. Some person uses line. When you click on line, it will look this way, right? When you click on the candles, it still look this way too. Do you understand? So that's just it. Then we have a lot. It depends on the one that works for you and the strategy you're using, something like that. So that's just it. But mostly traders always use this candle, right? Just to get their analysis right. Now after that, you still have what? Indicators. These indicators helps you, like there's some traders they use indicators to analyze their own market, right? So with this indicator, you can select any of the, let's say MA or moving average. Yeah, moving average MA. You see, RSI. These are for indicator traders. Like there's some traders that most of it they use this indicator to confirm their entries or some things, or even the trend of the market. So that's what you select. The indicators you want here. Do you understand? So another part again you need to understand here is alert. Alert simply means like that some in TradingView they have premium plan where you need to pay them for you to give you some access that things you really need to. This alert, like sometimes where you need when price gets to a specific zone or maybe an area, you want price to do what to alert to look at what's happening. You need to go to the chart and check on what is happening there. I don't know if I'm like something like that. That's how you use this menus. The play if there is this a part that maybe you want like market has played and you want maybe to see what happened again, you can still go back there and do what and check it back. Do you understand? So that's how it is. That's how it is. There's even still at this point you have settings. You can still set. Maybe that will be under my videos. Tell you guys how to set all these candles. You can change the color. You have here red and green. Do you understand? So you can even still change the color to the color you feel like to. So that just it. Now another point, another thing I want to teach you guys now is this. Right here where we have cross, dots, arrow, erase, and all that. Let's start from erasing. Erase kind of if you have something on the screen or you have a drawing that you want to do, what you have a drawing you want to erase, change anything, you can still use this icon here. But not just that. Now, mostly I hardly use this or this part. I only use this cross if I really want to. If I want to get the price. Okay, remember, let me just look at it. Let me check it. Look, take a look. Arrow, cross. You come here, you see, at least you're able to get what is happening here to know the exact price, the price of this calculation, like the prices. You understand? That's what I always use this cross for. So another thing I want you guys to know is this. This is a trend line tool. This is a trend line tool. This is a trend line tool. Trend line, you know, to get maybe a support or resistance of any market. As we use the trend line at least to know the trough. It will be head where market is headed, something like that. So that's how to make use of this trend line. Then I said trend line just to use, just to get a trend or to know how market has been following, something like that. So that's it. Now another thing I want you guys to know is this. When it comes to these tools, I use this trend line. I use horizontal line too. Most times I use this horizontal ray just to get the high and low of the days. So now vertical line as well. So that's just it. I think that's the 4 traits I pick here. So with this vertical line, we draw it at least to see the vertical. Maybe some person can still use this as a support and resistance also, or maybe so even at this part you can also still use when you click on a tap on the screen, you see just like what you see the vertical line. So you can still use it maybe if you want to demarcate something on the screen, something like that. It helps. So that's just it. Now to remove it, tap on it. Come here, you see, whenever I tap on all these things, it will pop up. It pops up here, right? So you can still move it to anywhere you want. Most times I always place my phone at this level, right? So to delete it, you tap on it. You see, delete here. Still same thing here. Tap on it, right? Still same thing here. Tap on it, delete. So that's just it. So you see, so under this trend line, like I said, this trend line, horizontal, vertical, and all that. Now downside, the one below is what? Sorry, here, that's where you see your Fibonacci Fib retracement. I think this will be another topic. I'll still make a video on this, how to make use of Fib retracement. That's Fibonacci. Now, under this pot. I use this Fib retracement. I use this gun box. So you can maybe select any. I use this gun box as well. Or maybe on the time I will give you guys a proper video on how to make use of these two. That's what I use. So the next one is the next one I didn't really have much tools I use here. Now the next one is what I use when it comes to this this point, you see brush if you have something to draw on your screen. You understand? Or if you are teaching somebody, you can still draw any part or anything you want, or something like that. So that's how to make use of brush. I use the brush to rectangular to part, sometimes called, but that's how right to I use. So you see, coming to this point, let's come to this point. So this is a long position, this is a short position. On this long position, it helps for you to know the take profit and stop loss if you are placed in the market. Let's say from here you want to place a buy market, expecting kind of, you see kind of gives you a TP and the stop loss where you're risking. And at this point, you can still know the pips of the market. You can still know the pips from here. Now, still on this part, on this short position, that's just the opposite. If you're going for a short, with here you can still draw to know how much to know the pips, to know your stop loss, to know your stop loss, and to know your TP. It's just like the opposite of this. You understand? So that's how it is. Then another thing I want you guys to know is okay, after that, okay, this part almost, maybe if you have something or direction you want to still tell someone, you can still use this. You can still use this to tell the person how market move. Maybe if you're teaching or something. So that's how it is. Now, when it comes to test, okay, if you have something to key in, most people love typing on their screen. Let's see, I'm expecting USD card to go bullish. So like most times, some persons love it when they put up words on their screen, something like that. So that's just it as well. I want to test, like, I believe comment section, like any comment and all that. If you tap on it, you see it on the screen here. Now, another thing I want you to know is this icon, this emoji icon. So you can still add it on your screen. Then another thing again is measure. With this measure, you're able to measure the pips. You can use it to measure pips, right? And as well, you can use it to measure the bars or how many days it kind of sold, something like that. Like, you can still use it to check a lot of things. Now, this icon you're seeing here, stay in drawing mode. See? So most times you can maybe stay in a drawing mode or something. But I hardly use this. Lock all drawing. Lock all drawing. Maybe if you're after drawing everything, you can still, when you tap on log, that means whatever you draw on the screen to be locked. You can't remove it or delete it. So it's only when you unlock it, that's when you can do so. Do you understand? Now that's just it. Now, another thing I want you guys to know is another part is this. Coming to this level, you see VLO, that's volume. This volume is this indicator you're seeing here. You can still remove it when you come here. You tap on, when you lay your cursor on it, you will see something like this, remove. If I click on this will go out, because most of those, depending on if you are using it, or most traders, if you don't use it, I don't know why you should be there. Do you understand? So let's do it. Tap, remove, right? So that's just it. Then another thing I want you to know is at this point, that's where you always have what the pair you are on. Here you see US dollar / Canadian dollar, right? That's Canadian. Then Rwanda, One that is just like a broker. You can pick any of the brokers you feel like